Are you unsure which clothes to wear for your maternity rehearsal? Today, I'm going to give you 5 tips to help you choose the best outfit, the best look for the rehearsal. The first thing I'm going to talk to you about is this. Always have a wild card piece that's timeless. What is this wild card? It's the pregnant woman's own clothes, her own clothes, so that in a few years' time, she can have that memory. Remember? Well, back then I wore such clothes. But of course, we're already going to jump to the second tip, because it's necessary to maintain harmony. So when she thinks about this look, she'll already be thinking about her father's look, the look of those who are going to take part. In short, it's important that they maintain a harmony of colors and prints, preferably without prints. The idea is to draw attention to the moment, and not to the pregnant woman's clothes. Lighter, plainer clothes that are comfortable, that's one of the other tips I'm going to give you next. Also, think about where you're going to photograph. I'm going to shoot in the countryside, and I'm going to wear an extremely social outfit, which doesn't always fit. Then you need to talk to the photographer to understand what would be best suited to that location. Always thinking, as I said in the second item, about harmonizing everything. Father's clothes, mother's clothes, the clothes of those who are going to take part. Fourthly, accessories that enhance the shoot. It's no good coming full of wreaths, full of things. It's nice, it's cool, it's nice, but you still need to maintain that harmony. So, what should you think? Will that earring match that dress, that fabric I'm going to wear? Does that wreath have anything to do with the location? In short, think of accessories that will enhance the shoot and not draw more attention to it. And fifthly, and no less importantly, as I said, these accessories, these clothes, these fabrics that you're going to use, they need to be comfortable and practical. After all, this is a pregnant woman and she needs agility. Because the longer it takes, the more tiring the rehearsal will be, and the results may not be as satisfactory. So, first of all, timeless clothing for pregnant women. Secondly, think about the clothes, the looks of the people who are going to take part in the rehearsal. Thirdly, harmonize with the location where the photos will be taken. Fourthly, think about accessories that enhance and also harmonize with the location and the idea, the proposal of the shoot. To do this, always talk to the professional who is going to do it. And fifthly, comfort and practicality. I bring you this information because the other day I was looking at some of my photos. I remember seeing Dad in a soccer shirt. Nothing against him, but he was wearing a soccer shirt, and she was wearing a totally social look. Beautiful, full of sketchy fabrics. Nothing to it. So when we think about this harmony, this reality, it loses all attention. It loses the whole purpose of what the record should be. Always remember that the idea is to eternalize that moment, to keep that moment in your memory, and that this is temporary. Okay, sometimes there are things that can bring this reality home to parents, but the idea is to maintain this harmonization. So, here's a tip for you, and I hope you have a great rehearsal. And then tell me how it went, right? If these tips helped you develop this record.